What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to give you another review of my Lead Gen secret, and I want to show you that this system still does work, and I want to show you how many leads that you can get per day just by emailing out every once 24 hours. And a lot of people, figure, that tried my Lead Gen secret in the past may feel that the leads and the quality of leads is not good. They feel that, they're spending more than what they're getting back on these leads. A lot of people probably in their mind still think that these leads are reused by other marketers. Well, I'm here to tell you today that that is not the case. I have seen lots of visitors that comes through my sales funnel when I check back and look at my statistics in the back office of the capture pages that I be using. And I want to show you that what you can do per day and how you can attain these tasks in order to get the best results. Okay, so we're gonna go back here in the back office of my Lead Gen secret, and I want to show you how this system works. Now you can see right here how many leads that I'm getting, and you can see through the months that I've been collecting leads. So I'm getting between 100 and 200 leads per day. You get 200 leads per day once someone signs up under you. But if you don't have anybody sign up under you, you're going to just have 100 leads per day. But they really add up. Either you do have 100 leads per day or you have 200 leads per day. So that's something that you can really look into. You can check that out where you scroll up at here at the top, okay? Then if you check out per month, that's how much you get per month, okay? You can see these are the emails that I use. And you can use any email that you use to send out on a daily basis. They have this perfect timing that you can send those emails out. And see, I already had sent out one not too long ago, so I got to wait 24 hours before I can send out the next one. But when you scroll over to perfect timing, this basically tells you that the people who you send it to that usually open their emails up at a certain time, they're most likely going to be sent, those emails going to be sent out around that time where they usually open their emails up. So that is very powerful to know that, so that's why it's good to use the perfect timer. So that way you can, in case if you in a different time zone, you can send out those emails at the right time for the visitor. Okay. With my Lead Gen secret, they give you a master copy swipes. Now with this, they give you 20 different email swipes that you can use. No, 30 different email swipes, excuse me. They give you 30 email swipes that you can use for any business. But the only thing about that is it is a one-time fee of $59.99 to actually have that. And this system is $30 a month to have the whole system to be able to receive 100 leads per day. Now these leads that you receive are not, they scrubbed, meaning they're not being used. So they're going to be, these are, a lot of potential buyers that already had checked out these opportunities. They checked out a lot of opportunities. You can see leads coming in. Now I'm not going to reveal what these eyeballs, because these going to have people's information in there. But once you sign up with my Lead Gen secret, you will see these leads that comes in. They're going to show you their email address. Most likely they're going to show you their phone numbers. And you can use those leads and you can upload them through a CSV file. And you can put those leads inside of, any autoresponder, whether you're using GetResponse or Aweber. You can use that to upload, and you can start sending them out any opportunity that you already, part of, okay? So those what those leads would do for you. So you can check out, I'm going to show you the statistics. Now I just had sent out an email. Now you don't see anything yet. I sent it out to 8,900. Okay, so that's why it's good to send them out daily. In order for to see results with this, you got to be consistent. You're going to have to send out daily emails each day, so that way those emails, those leads will start checking out in your content, and they will start, a lot of them, you'll start seeing the results of the leads that's coming through. And you can see right here, when I sent 9,000 emails. So they gave me like a 9.57% open rate. I had 146 clicks. So think about all that traffic that's coming through. You can see, and think about this. Throughout the day, more leads are coming through throughout the day. So I'm getting clicks. I'm still getting clicks for different days. And I had sent it out like early this week. So that's very, very powerful to know. You can see the statistics and how everything climbs through the whole month. So if you would like to get started with this, now this is the affiliate. You know, once you get signed up, you get the affiliate. This is the compensation plan. This shows you the levels. The first level, you get $5 a month. The second level, that's down up under that, is $4 per month, and so forth. You can see it right here. They also have weekly superstar bonuses that you can check out. Make sure you read that in the affiliate section. These are the email swipes that you first start out with. They only give you 10 when you sign up. You can use these text ads. If you were sending certain types of text ads, and these are banner ads. So this is everything that you can use in the promotional tab for promotional use. And you could use these, and this is very helpful. And my lead gen secret, this is giving you continuous leads per day. So just think about it. It's $1 per day out of $30 or the $30 per month, but it's $1 per day to get 100 leads. $1. So think about, that's like 3,000 leads per month. So, you know, that's why this, you know, I will advise people to get on board with this. If you're a marketer or you're struggling and you don't have a big, large budget for cost per click or solo ads, my lead gen secret could be for you to start off with. Start getting some traction to your business. Start getting some type of exposure, and start, you know, putting your information out there so you can be able to get traffic. This is daily traffic each day, 100 leads. And make sure that you send out one email every 24 hours to your leads, so that way they can see your content on a daily basis. So that's what I wanted to show you, that this system does work. You do get quality leads. The link in the description will be below if you would like to get started with my lead gen secret. I do have other offers to help you with affiliate marketing if you need help with that. And also, if you think that this video had done some good to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and strategies that I use on a daily basis for my strategies of marketing. And I'm gladly will help you guys if you need help. Also, you can hit me up on social media, and I basically be active on social media. That way we could conversate and be business partners. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you today. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.